In the heart of the bustling barnyard, Piggy the pig called for a gathering of his curly-tailed crew. With a twinkle in his eye and a snout full of excitement, Piggy announced, "Time to bounce into the next letter of fun. It's the letter B." The piglets squealed with glee, their hooves tapping eagerly as they gathered round. "What's in store, Piggy?" they oinked in unison. "Ah, my little darlings," Piggy chuckled. "Prepare for a barnstorming adventure with the letter B. We'll be buzzing like busy bees and boogieing with butterflies. Look at second alphabet. It's called B. B for bees. B for butterflies. B for bees. B for butterflies. Pilo, my little darling, please say what is B for?"
B for apple.
Oops, no. B for bees. B for butterflies.
Oh, okay. B for bees. B for butterflies.
B for bees. B for butterflies.
B for bees. B for butterflies.
Okay, everyone, let's sing a song.
We're ready to play with the pig leading the way. In the barnyard under the big blue sky, we'll explore the letter B. Oh my, B for bees, B for butterfly. Hi, hi, la 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 la. Buzzing like bees, we'll dance with delight as butterflies flutter in the soft sunlight. From barns to bushes, we'll boldly roam in the land of the our happy home. B for bees, B for butterfly. Hi, hi, la 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 la. So let's boogie and bounce with me. Just you and me in this beautiful world, so big and bright. We'll laugh and learn with all our might. B for bees, B for butterfly. Hi, la 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 la. Hi, la 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 la.
Hey, see you next video. Yahoo!